In that log 27 to base 3 equals to 2x plus 1. Find the value of x. So this is the equation. Log 27 base 3 equals to 2x plus 1. So we are going to solve this one now. We change this one to index form. How can you do that? By the edge of the definition. What is logarithm? Logarithm of a number is the power in which the base must be raised to give the number. Let me say it again. Logarithm of a number is the power in which the base must be raised to give the number. So the base will rise by this to give us back this. So from here you have 3 to the power of 2x plus 1 equals to 27. We are now changing to index form by the use of definition. So let's continue. This one now will become 3 power 2x plus 1. So this one, you can also be written as 3x power 3, because 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. So from here, the base will go. 45 here will become 2x plus 1 equals to 3. It has now become a simple linear equation. So 2x will be equals to 3 minus 1. So 2x will be equals to 2. Divide by 2. So x now will be equals to 1. So the value of x in log 27 to base 3 equals to 2x plus 1 equals to 1.